Okay, so now you have all of your drawings. You have finished all of your drawings. The next step is going to be to download the app called Marble app. Do not confuse it with Marvel Comics. This is a different one. So you just search on the App Store for Marble app, and you're gonna get this app. The first thing that you're gonna see, it's the first screen that has your projects. The first thing you want to do is to add a project. And to add a project, you just have to click the plus button. Once you add the plus button, then you're going to have to get this screen. On this screen, you will be able to select the type of device that you want to prototype and add a name to your project. To our project, we're going to add the Udemy show. And my phone is an iPhone 6, so I'm going to select iPhone 6. And we're good. Let's press create the project. And now we have to create the project. Once you have this screen, then all you need to do is add the photos, add your images. So you have two options. You have the plus button and you have play. Since we don't have anything, the only thing that we can do right now is actually press the plus button. So once you press the plus button, then you have many options. One is to drawing, camera, photos, connect to your Dropbox. Right now, what we're going to do is use our camera. So once you have the camera, then you'll be able to take photos of all of this.